Trump contributed to the drop in KASPA price? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to Crypto Speaker. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around KASPA, this is the place for you. As of March 22, 2026, the global cryptocurrency market cap is $1 billion, with a minus 1.05% change in the last 24 hours. KAS's current price is $0.0370, with a 24-hour trading volume of $13.67 million. KASPA is plus 0.06% in the last 24 hours, with a circulating supply of 27.30 billion KAS coins and a maximum supply of 28.70 billion KAS coins. KAS ranks 53 by market cap. It has a 24-hour high of $0.0374211, recorded on March 22, 2026, and its 24-hour low so far is $0.035. Let's analyze the price of KASPA is down 1.34% to $0.0367 in 24 hours, underperforming a broader market sell-off primarily driven by a geopolitical risk shock. The move shows KASPA acting with moderate beta to Bitcoin's decline, with no clear coin-specific catalyst visible in the provided data. Trump stated that he would strike and destroy Iran's power plants, starting with the largest one. If the strait is not open to commercial shipping, the threat marks a sharp escalation compared to Friday, when Trump said he was considering scaling back the military operation. The shift from scaling back to threats against civilian infrastructure within 24 hours shook the market, which had been building confidence in de-escalation throughout the previous week. Liquidation data shows just how one-sided positions were heading into the weekend. According to CoinGlass, $299 million in assets were liquidated among 84,239 traders over the past 24 hours, with long position liquidations totaling $254 million, which accounts for approximately 85% of the total volume. KASPA's decline aligns with a sharp drop in Bitcoin, which fell 3.41% to $68,256.56. The sell-off was triggered by heightened geopolitical tensions after former President Trump threatened Iran, sparking $279 million in crypto liquidations and pushing the total crypto market cap down 2.95%. KASPA moved in the same direction with less magnitude, indicating it was caught in a broad risk-off flow. The short-term bias is cautiously bullish, contingent on broader market strength. The price action was driven by macro sentiment, not KASPA-specific fundamentals. Watch for Bitcoin's ability to reclaim $70,000, which would ease pressure on altcoins. Near-term market outlook. KASPA is testing a critical support zone between $0.03 and $0.034, as noted by analysts. The next scheduled event is a block reward reduction in approximately 14 days. If KASPA holds above $0.034, it could attempt to reclaim the $0.037 pivot point. However, a break below $0.03 would invalidate the current bullish structure and likely lead to further downside. What about KASPA catalysts? Technical breakout signals. KASPA's price surged to a 7-week high of $0.041, confirming a breakout from a multi-year falling wedge pattern, a classic bullish signal. Technical indicators like the super trend turned green, and exchange outflows of $1.8 million suggested accumulation. Analysts project a path toward $0.056 if it holds above immediate resistance. What this means? This is a positive technical development, indicating strong buying pressure and a potential trend reversal, though overbought conditions warrant caution for new entries. Outlier strength in fearful market. Amid a broader market downturn labeled extreme fear, KASPA was highlighted as an outlier with a strong bullish trend. However, its relative strength index, RSI, was noted near 83, signaling the rally might be overextended and due for a cooling period. What this means? This presents a mixed picture. KASPA's independent strength is notable, but overheating risks suggest volatility could increase if market-wide fear triggers a broader altcoin correction. KASPA price prediction. Looking at KASPA liquidation map, with price sitting at $0.0368, the downside looks relatively clean, not many leveraged longs stacked up below that would accelerate a move lower. The more interesting picture is above current price. Short liquidations start stacking up from $0.041 onwards, with a particularly dense cluster around $0.0429 to $0.0435. That's where the chart gets crowded, and where a sustained move upwards starts getting mechanically messy for anyone positioned short. Let us know in the comments what you think. Will the situation in KASPA stabilize after what Trump did? We'll find out very soon. Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Let us know in the comments what you think about this token and whether you plan to invest in KASPA. This has been Crypto Speaker. Thank you for your time.